So hi, Viktoras. Thank you for joining me today. Congratulations on your first target. Please introduce yourself to us and to our community.
Well, I'm a part-time trader. I have a full-time job, and I started learning trading since 2013. I did one course in 2017 with IIFT in Dublin.
Mm-hmm.
The guys were actually good. Showed some bits and pieces, how to act on it, and after that, I just progressed on my own and was reading books and analyzing charts on my own.
So you have been part-time trading since 2013.
Basically, yeah.
That's quite a long time. How come you never thought of going full-time into trading?
I don't know.
It's not a tricky question, promise. It's just a curiosity.
Like in general, I don't know, need time to build up confidence, build up trust, save the money for the account as well. And
Sure.
Everything takes time,
Of course. And why at a point in your trading career in 2017, you were saying you decided to go for a trading course? You were not profitable. You wanted to change the strategy. Which was the main reason for that?
I was not profitable and wasn't too consistent. And I think all the time there is place to improve, more space, more knowledge, everything to improve all the time. So I'm not missing out opportunity to learn something from professionals who's in the market. Like at that time, I was only like 3-4 years, and these guys been like 35 years. So it's just an honor to learn from them,
Of course, that's 100% the best aptitude to succeed in this industry. And tell me something. Of course, with us, you trade the Forex market. Is that what you were trading as well on your personal account, or you were focusing on different assets?
No, on my personal, I focus more on the currency exchanges. I was trading a bit of crypto, like Ethereum. Ethereum, then was trading Dash, but eventually it was too volatile, two giant moves, so I couldn't handle it, and I just stopped trading cryptocurrencies. Started only Forex.
Okay. From what I can see, you prefer yen pairs, correct?
Yeah, it gives you a bit more sharper moves. So yeah.
Okay. Would you like to tell us a bit your strategy, your style in trading? What do you do? Intraday, swing? What do you look at?
I kind of mix up intraday and swings. If I can hold up position trading and entering from intraday or from scalp, that's not too bad as well. If there's something big, coming up. But about my strategy, that would be very simple. It would be identify direction and then enter on some areas like moving averages by scalping. And using MACD as well for entries.
So you identify the trend, so based on market structure. On which time frame you do that?
I do on 4 hour on daily, then going lower and lower, basically on 1 hour, and then 5 minutes, 15 minutes as well.
So you start from bigger time frames and then you scale down. And on which time frame then you use your indicators? You were mentioning MACDs and moving averages as well.
Yeah,
on all of them, or just on a smaller time frame?
All of them, I would say. I'm using on all of them, but the smaller time frame would be for the entries, and the bigger time frame just direction.
Okay, that's good. And what about your money management? I know we give you the rules to follow, and we are very strict on them. So there is little to leave to your personal decisions, maybe. But I'm more interested in how your own money management changed from your personal account to this funded account, if it changed.
Yeah, it kind of changed. It's I would say when you're funded, you're trading more carefully. But there is days when recently I got a day when was really bad, and there was outside of trading, my personal life influenced, and I shouldn't trade, but I decided to trade, and then I got on bad results, you know. So yeah, it's being on the funded account, it helps anyway. It helps because you must keep the rules, but it kind of changed, yeah, a little bit.
So you think you were more aggressive on your personal account?
I would say
risk?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, I would say yes.
Okay, so I'd like to know a bit more about your usual day, because I often meet a lot of full-time traders or people that have a business, so they are very much into trading. You said you have a full-time job, so I'd like to know how can you actually, you know, divide yourself between your trading activity and your full-time job.
That's a bit hard because I'm working on night shift. So
Okay.
if I see something on the evening time before I start, I can try to scale in, and then during my break times to check in how it's getting on. And after work, usually it starts European session, London session. So if I can stay up, you know, for a couple hours after my work, which is like I'm finished at 7 in the morning, so it's exact time to start something trading. And if I can, I do. If I can't, I just go to sleep and wake up at around 5 in the evening.
Okay, so let's say that working night shifts actually help you a bit because you have access to the European and the New York Open as well, I think. Of course, you will need to get some sleep in between.
Kind of, a little bit, yeah. Usually when I don't work, when I have days off, then I can stay up, you know, from early morning.
Yeah.
And do some trades as well.
Okay. And tell me, you have been trading now for quite a number of years, we can say. So you have been in the industry for quite a while. Is this your first funded account, or have you in the past, or are you at the moment working also with other prop firms?
No, this is second. I had funded on 2021.
With someone else.
But yeah, with someone else, and but then after a while I just quit it because it was too much pressure from everywhere, outside trading, inside in the trading, and the limit for the targets, it just kept me mentally, you know, pushing me. Once I see in the end of the month, I just push myself to enter more trades and basically to gain that targets. So it wasn't the best, you know.
So it was putting you a little bit of pressure.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. And how is it going with AudaCity? I think you know, we didn't put any kind of pressure on yourself, but you managed to hit your first 10% target in how long? A couple of weeks?
I think was like around 8 business days or something.
Yeah,
like
exactly, something like that. Less than 2 weeks for sure. So again, congratulations, well done. It was an amazing result. And tell me, how does it feel to be part of AudaCity Capital? How is it going? How is your experience going so far?
Feels good. Experience is good. I just seen myself that I need to a bit more manage my risk, maybe reduce down of my investment size, and stay more patient. Don't jump around one trading opportunity to another one and keep canceling, so that just leads to loss. And yeah, stay patient and keep doing a good job.
Yeah, Viktoras, this is key. Patience in this job is key. You don't have to trade every single day. You don't have to be in the market every time that you have a look at the chart. Just take your time. There's no pressure with us. So take advantage of this feature that we give our traders. It can take you a couple of weeks. It can take you 1 month. It can take you more than that. And then the target, the following target, it can take you like 2 days. It's completely fine, but don't put pressure on yourself. Okay?
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Fantastic. Now, I'd like also to ask you to give a suggestion, an advice to people like yourself that are still trading part-time, that maybe are considering of going full-time, or maybe new traders, people that are just now approaching the market. What would you be what would your recommendation be for them?
My recommendation would be if you hit a target very quick, don't get too overconfident. Then second would be don't get into the markets if you're having a bad day or something influences your emotions. And yeah, keep trading, patience and in the money.
Very good.
That's all.
Very good, very good. So I can see in your account there are a few ups and downs, but I'm sure that if you now keep being patient, just wait for your entries, I'm sure things will be better soon. All right?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Okay, then. Fantastic. Thank you for sharing your story with us. We really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. And yeah, we'll talk soon again. All right?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day. Bye-bye.